Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Porvorim.
काँग्रेसींतल्यान बीजेपीत गेल्ल्या 8 आमदारांच्या अपात्रता याचिकेचेर सभापतीन 90 दिसां भितर निर्णय दिवंक जाय म्हूण काँग्रेस फुडारी गिरीश चोडणकरान इश्यू लावन धरला. हायकोर्टान सभापतीक तशे निर्देश दिवचे म्हूण हायकोर्टात याचिका. अपात्रता याचिका एखादो सभापती अनिश्चित काळ घेवन बसूंक शकना. सभापतीन 90 दिसां भितर निकाल लावंक जाय म्हूण खंय सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो निर्देश आसा. हायकोर्टान सुनावणी घेवन ऑर्डर राखून दवरल्या. गिरीशाचो आदोगार म्हणटा सभापतीन मुद्दम प्रकरण हुमकत दवरला.
Our contention was that the merger of political party and the legislative party both are required. Our High Court has taken a view that only the legislative party can merge, which according to us is not correct, and therefore we have tested that decision before the Honorable Supreme Court. That issue in the Supreme Court is pending, no doubt about it. But at the same time that has become academic issue because the tenure of the assembly had come to an end. Now this is a fresh assembly which is live assembly. So therefore we want to go to the Supreme Court. After he takes a decision, we will follow the hierarchy. If he says that no, in terms of the High Court judgment, I am bound by the High Court judgment, I am taking a decision. Take a decision. We'll go to the High Court, we'll go to the Supreme Court. What is the strategy is to ensure that we never reach the Supreme Court. That appears to be the strategy.
Orders are reserved by the High Court, and we have argued before the High Court that no such direction can be issued. In any case, the facts of this case are such that such directions are not liable to be given. So that is our stand.
पयली आयिल्ल्या अर्जाचेर पयली निकाल, मागीर आयिल्ल्यांचेर मागीर म्हूण सभापतीन आपली भुमिका आदींच स्पश्ट केल्या. काँग्रेस प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरान मायकल आनी दिगंबर कामती आड घाल्ल्या अपात्रता याचिकेचेर पयली निकाल दिता. उपरांत गिरीशाचे याचिकेचेर म्हूण सभापतीन कोर्टाक स्पश्ट केला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.